So hello people, in this video we are going to fix a laptop. This is the HP EliteBook 840G3 i5. So the problem with this laptop actually is not working. So plug in the charger. We have a charging sign. Press the power button and the laptop is turning on. As you can see, we have a backlight and a keyboard. Can you see? But you have a blinking light in the screen. Can you see? And the laptop is not displaying. You see? The laptop is working but no display. So first of all, you need to switch off the laptop and open the laptop and have a look inside. And the laptop, it's open. And can you see? As you can see, the laptop looks fine inside. I can't see any liquid damage. So I need to unplug the battery and try to reset the BIOS and see if the problem will be solved. The battery is unplugged and I need to disconnect the BIOS battery. This one, as you can see, we have a BIOS battery here. I need to disconnect this BIOS battery and see if the problem will be solved. The BIOS battery is disconnected, so I need to reset the BIOS battery by using the sound metal. So I can use my screwdriver to reset BIOS. By resetting BIOS is to short the two pins which is inside, and the BIOS is not reset. So plug in the charger. So plug in the charger. As you can see, the laptop is turning on. Can you see? Can you hear that? Actually, I can see a small image inside. I can see something inside. I don't know if you will see. I see the BIOS reset, but it is, we have image but no backlight. So the problem with this laptop is no backlight in the screen. I can see something there, the reset BIOS, but there is no image. So we need to fix either the screen or the 19 volt. The 19 volt is there, which is missing. We are missing 19 volt. Maybe it is either a screen or the problem is on the motherboard. So first of all, we need to unplug the laptop and open the screen, try to repair the screen and see if the problem is the screen. The screen is unplugged, and this is the new screen. The one I take out this one, the one which was in, and did the new screen. The screen is connected. Plugging the charger, and the laptop is turning on and off, on, as you can see. So we need to wait for image because the BIOS have been reset. As you can see, when I change the screen, the laptop is working perfectly. So the problem is not on the motherboard, the problem is on the screen. So can we fix it? Yeah, can fix it. So we need to fix the backlight of this screen. Backlight. So first of all, we need to check if you don't have short on any on this component which is on the screen. Turn on the multimeter. So this is a very nice multimeter. I use a Victor 81B. So I like it because it have a very nice refresh rate. So I choose to use Victor 81B. So first of all, because we want to check if you don't have a short on this on this component, we need to put the multimeter in the continuity mode, beeping mode. So to put the multimeter in the continuity mode, we need to select. So I have to make sure if the multimeter is beeping. If it is not beeping, you need to press this button, which is select, and the multimeter is now beeping. So it means the multimeter is already in continuity mode. So let's go ahead and check if you don't have short. So ground, can you see we have short? As you can see, we have short on this screen. So what is the short? What is short in the component? So because we have short capacitor, it doesn't mean this capacitor is the one which is shorted. No, maybe we are having short on this capacitor, but there's something else which is causing this short. So how do we test the component which is causing the short? So we need to use a power supply. So our power supply is here. This is our power supply. As you can see, it have two cables. It has two cables, one for plus, other for one for current, other for voltage. So turning the power supply, and so we need to set like 4 amps is good for me, and the voltage have to be like 2 volt, 2.1 volt is good. And after that, we need to take this is a ground. We have a ground. This is our ground. We put this on the ground. Put this on the ground, and we take a plus on on the component which have short. So, and as you can see, it is taking 0.4 400 0.4 amps. So I use my finger to touch and see which one is getting hot. Which one is getting hot? I use my finger to sense the overheating component. I feel like this capacitor is the one which is getting shorted. The second one, because it's the one which is getting hot. So what I need to do is to replace that capacitor. So replacing that capacitor, of course we need to replace that capacitor. It is a smaller frags. Try to make sure if the heat is not approaching the screen, because you see the screen is very easy to be damaged. The capacitor is now out. We need to check if it is the one which is shorted by using multimeter, continuity mode, beeping. As you can see, this capacitor is shorted. Do you still have a short? Let me check. No more short. You see, the short is gone. The short is gone. Let us take back the screen and see if it is working, because the shorted capacitor is already removed. Plugging the screen. The screen is plugged. Plugging the cable. And the laptop standing on. Actually, the laptop standing on, but we still have no picture. Can you see? We still have no picture. The shot is gone, but we still have no picture. So what a problem. The 19 volt is still missing. Okay. Let's check for the chip. After removing that capacitor, the short is gone. We need to check. Actually, no more short. This is ground. We don't have short. And I tested the screen. Still, it showed me the same error. No backlight. So So we need to check if our fuse are still good. We have fuse here. The fuse is good. As you can see, we have continuity on this fuse. So we have fuse here also, and the fuse is good. And this one, the fuse is good. And here, this one is good. And we have one other one here. This one is dead. This fuse here is dead. It was supposed to supply voltage 19 volt on this area, and this here is dead. So we need to replace this fuse because there's no continuity in that fuse. So we need to bypass. No need to remove the fuse, just bypassing the fuse. So how do we bypass the fuse? We make a bridge. Making a bridge. Good. Now we made a bridge and our fuse is good. Let us check. Now the fuse is good. So we need to check if our problem is fixed. And after bypassing this one, after bypassing this first, so we need to check if the problem was fixed. What we did, I bypassed the fuse which was here. This fuse was responsible to carry the 19 volt to this chip, and it was dead before. And I bypassed the chip. I bypassed the fuse, and now we need to test if our screen have a backlight. Remember, we have image but no backlight. Plugging the screen. Let me grab the charger and plugging the charger, and the laptop is turning on. And you have image. You see? We have image. And the problem was the backlight. We used to have image but no backlight. And what you have done, so we bypassed the fuse which was burnt, because you remember we have a shorted capacitor. So we remove a shorted capacitor and the problem still exists. The problem not fixed. And we test. We put the multimeter in the continuity mode. We test any fuse which is on the screen, and each and every fuse was good except the one which was behind the shorted capacitor. And I bypassed the fuse, and the laptop is working. You see, means after short capacitor, it burns, it kills the fuse. Yeah, that's what happened. The capacitor gets shorted and kills the fuse. The fuse was killed by the short capacitor, and then the laptop is working perfectly. So I am close back everything, and thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, you may subscribe to this channel and share to your friends, and we keep learning the new stuff. Thank you for watching.